Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Oh my god. Today I woke up with the worst migraine that I've had in a while. I'm so puffy as well. My whole left side feels like, I don't know, somebody's literally pressuring me to crash my skull. And I kind of feel like the source is my tooth, but it can't be my tooth because I checked my teeth literally 2 weeks ago and the dentist said that my teeth are super freaking healthy. So if this is my tooth and I need a filling, I'm gonna be very pissed. Today I'm kind of having like a rough day. I wanted to wake up pretty early. One of our friends was meant to come, but because it was raining, she didn't have the car with her to come, so she didn't end up coming here. Also, I have to do some errands for my mom. I'm about to head out right now. I have to actually buy something to eat as well, because my mom said she has a painkiller, but it's kind of like 600 milligrams, and that's like a really big deal for me. Then I'm going to sew the last few pieces for the DIY cupboard mirror jewellery stand. I don't know what to call it, like jewellery stand, I guess. A jewellery organizer. I look so freaking puffy. I don't know what's wrong with me. By the way, this is the thing that he's been pushing further and further behind. This thing was pretty much right there where he's standing, and every time he twirls around and then goes and sits down there, it just moves further and further back. Hey. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Got myself a little pizza slice for breakfast. Dentist was not there. Great. I guess then I came out for some fresh air and pizza. Moment of truth. Taste-wise is okay, but why is it crunchy like I'm eating crunchy bread? Nothing's going well today. Really bad lighting, but I have all my pieces ready to go. You guys probably don't really know what I'm thinking of doing. Hopefully it will make sense when you see it all together. I had to cut these little slits through the piece of wood. Basically, all you have to do is just find a slit and put your earring through. You take the back bit, you secure it, and here's your earring hanging. And of course, the other ones will be hanging around as well. While I'm letting my glue gun get hot, I'm just gonna go really quickly and do the bed. Welcome to my biggest dream as a kid. Also, welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. I used to love these as a kid. Cups for days. I'm back home, and I know that I said a couple of days ago when I bought this little bedazzled bag that was the last piece for my glam-ish New Year's / Christmas outfit. But the truth of the matter is that I was missing some really nice black shoes. I'm gonna show you the shoes tomorrow, and I'm thinking of doing like before Christmas or New Year's, like kind of outfit inspiration if you guys want. I've brought, like I said, a lot of outfits with me because I don't know which one I'm gonna choose to wear. So I can do a little video where I show you, you know, just a little bit of inspiration, like what you can pair with what I've got with me, you guys helping me choose what I'm gonna wear for Christmas and New Year's. I also got 2 cups. I got this one with Rudolph. I don't know why I'm touching it on my face, it's probably dirty. And this one right here. There was another one and it had a reindeer on it and it said something different other than Merry Christmas, but it was festive also. It was the only one remaining and it was all red with white letters. And while we were putting it in the cart, my mom accidentally dropped it and she broke it. My heart broke as well because that red one was literally my favorite. So tomorrow I'm gonna be doing my first makeup on a client. It's not really a client, but it's my friend, so it doesn't really count as a client. But I'm really excited because she's going to a wedding and she wants to be like looking really beautiful, and I can't wait to make her look and feel beautiful because that's the most important thing. It's not about how much makeup you put on, it's about how beautiful the other person feels that you do the makeup for. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye bye. I literally don't understand how 15 days have gone by in Vlogmas, but apparently they have. And I'm starting again the vlog from the middle of the day because we were running all day with my dad. I had to help a friend of mine with her makeup to go to a wedding. I might insert some pictures or some videos here. The reason that I really didn't want to take my camera out is because it was raining so much. And it was only the times where me and my dad had to get out of the car that it was raining like crazy. The entirety of the time that we were in the car, it was raining, but it wasn't raining that much. The second we stepped out, it was pouring. We're gonna go to a family friend's name's day and I really don't know what to wear, but I'm already wearing a turtleneck and I'm gonna do my makeup, and I don't want to do my makeup and then have to put on another turtleneck and take this one off. So I'm gonna go and check out what I'm gonna wear and then I'm gonna see how we're gonna do it. I also have this really cute shirt that I could wear, but I don't know what to put inside. I don't really want to go with my bra showing. Ooh, I think I know. You know what? I might actually wear my green skirt. This one right here that I got from Zara, and now I need to find something to pair it with. I don't know, would I be too festive to do red and green? Because I sort of like the combination, but then I want to add black boots, so I don't think it's going to be that nice. I might just do this with the black and then add the black boots. Perfect. Ooh. Oh no, it's gone. I've never tried to do my makeup in the living room, which is where I am right now. And if my mom finds out, I'll do my makeup in the living room. I mean, she's gonna find out anyway because she's gonna see the vlog, but at least I'm not gonna hear the moaning today. We bought Robin a new toy and it's so cute. Bought him a little pig. If you guys are on Discord, I posted the picture of him with the pig in his mouth. But yeah, I don't know if your dogs do that too, but Robin in general is such a gentle and kind dog. Like even with his toys, he doesn't want to destroy them. He doesn't want to cause them any discomfort or pain, because for some reason he really thinks that the toys have feelings. And we first realized that when we bought him a toy that makes noise. It's that infamous black chicken that goes all around the internet on whichever video has to do with like dogs and toys. You will see that chicken everywhere. Basically, it's like a long chicken with like a really long neck. Every time he used to play with that one, the chicken would make a noise because it was making like a squeaky noise because it's a squeaky toy. He would freak out and he would leave it because he would think that he basically hurt it. He has such a kind soul. We don't deserve dogs. Is anyone else's dog like that kind that they are scared to hurt, you know, their toy or things like that? You